friends, this question asked in GATE 2015 in 2 marks. So let's see what it is saying. Which of the following languages is are regular? It is also asking which is/are regular. So let's see which one is regular and which one is not regular. Okay. So if we will talk about language L1, okay. So what it is saying, it is containing all strings like this. Okay. So W is what? W is any string. W, let us consider AB. It is a AB. Okay. Where W comma X belongs to A comma B and W comma X greater than 0, WR is the reverse of string W. WR is what? Reverse of string W. So if we have, let us consider if we have W equal to AB and X equal to A, okay, or you can also take X equal to A. So what is the string in language L1? L1 equal to what? AB. Here is a X is what? A, and the reversal of the string, and the reverse of the string W. W is what? AB. So what? BA. Okay. So you can say that L1 is what? L1 is a regular because there X is a separator. There is a X is any string which are separating W and WR, which are separating W and WR. So W and WR is not going to compare. Is not going to compare. Okay. So that's why comparison is not there. Comparison is not there between W and WR. Okay. Because X is separating W and WR. Okay, that's why it is a regular. That's why it is a regular. If this thing, if the language is like this, L1 equal to, if you have like this WR, and when I am asking you this is a regular or not, so definitely it is not a regular because there is not any separator present between these two strings, W and WR. Okay, so it will compare with the string W. Okay, to write the reverse string of W. Okay, so this is not regular, but here there is no comparison between W and WR because X is separating W and WR. So that's why it is a regular. That's why it is a what? A regular, right? That's why it is a regular. So it is a regular, yes. Let's see L2. L2 is saying what? L2 is saying what? L2 equal to what? A and BM, right? And it is saying M not equal to N, M not equal to N, and M comma N greater than equal to 0. So definitely it is not regular. Definitely it is not regular because it is giving you the comparison. It is saying you M not equal to N. So whenever we write a string, it will compare that number of A's is equal to number of V's or not. Okay, so it will compare every time. So comparison is between A and B. Just because of this, M not equal to N. If the language is like this, अगर language इस तरीके से होती है हमारी A and BM N comma M greater than equal to 0, so it is not a, so it is a regular. It is what? It is a regular because here M and N are independent from each other. Independent from each other means there is no comparison. So here comparison comes just because of this one, M not equal to N. Okay, so here it will compare A's with B's. Okay, so there is a comparison. In L2 there is a comparison. So L2 is not regular. L2 is not regular. L2 is not regular. You are understanding? Okay. Yes. If we will talk about L3, so here AP, VQ, CR, as I told you here M and N are independent, so definitely it is what? It is regular. No comparison is there. Okay, so here is also P, Q and R independent from each other, so there is no comparison between A, B and C. There is no comparison between A, B and C. So L3 is what? Simply L3 is what? Regular. L3 is what? Regular. So which two languages is regular? L2 is not regular. It is asking you which H/R regular. So L1 and L3 L1 and L3 are regular, L2 is not regular. Just because of this one, M not equal to N means it is going to comparison A and B. Okay, so L2 is not regular. So which option is correct? Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay. Option A is correct. You can see the solution. Option A is correct. So if you will go through the techniques which we know to check there is a comparison or not, okay, so definitely you will get right options. Here they take regular expressions, okay, so this is not a correct way, okay. So you can go through the options way. You can go like this also, no problem at all, but this is a long way, okay. So go and check the comparison is there or not. If the comparison is there, then the language is not regular, okay. If not comparison is there, then language is what? Regular, okay. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.